Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me Hamza Amjad Darwana, the student of Form D from UOS. In our today's discussion, we will discuss about a new medicinal brand that is Omeprazole. Please must watch the video till end so that you can grab the knowledge easily. Now without wasting your time, let's move to the video. The medicinal brand Omeprazole is itself available as a brand and as active ingredient. The dosage forms of Omeprazole are tablets, capsules and suspensions. Tablets has potency of 2.5 to 10 mg, capsules has potency of 10 to 40 mg and suspension is available as 2 mg per ml. This medicine belongs to the class of proton pump inhibitor and we can take this medicine by two routes, orally and intravenously. And now mechanism of action. It is an anti-ulcer agent and acts as a proton pump inhibitor. Basically, it is a prodrug and is activated by acid in the stomach. Omeprazole blocks the gastric acid production and also inhibits the hydrogen potassium pump. It is also a potent drug and has a long duration of action. This medicine is readily absorbed in small intestine and takes about 3 to 6 hours. It is readily distributed in the body and has a half-life of about 1 hour. This medicine is completely metabolized in the liver and 80% of the dose is eliminated in the urine and the remaining one in the bile. And now uses. This medicine is basically used to treat the stomach problems like high acidity, benign gastric and urinary ulcers, heartburn, cough, healing of the stomach, GIT bleeding. This medicine can also be used with antibiotics to fight against Helicobacter pylori. Now side effects. As excess of everything is bad, if we take Omeprazole in excessive quantity, it can also cause the side effects that are headache, abdominal pain, irregular heartbeats, seizures, joint pains, diarrhea, fever, allergy, and rashes. And now contraindications mean the conditions in which we should not use this medicine. The contraindications of Omeprazole include if a person has liver problem, low calcium and magnesium level, and low vitamin B12 in the body. And one thing to be noted that if you feel severe stomach cramps, fever, vomiting, then please go to your doctor or a pharmacist. Now interactions. This medicine cannot be used with these medicines including amphetamine, theophylline, ampicillin, and citalopram. Omeprazole is also available in several other brands in the world. Two of them are Omega and Lorenzo. So friends, this is all about for our today's video. Hope you like the video and you should follow the rules and precautions of this medicine. Meet you soon in the next video inshallah. Stay tuned, keep watching and keep